The killer is white, aged between 30 and 45. He doesn't act on impulse, but plans his crimes in a very meticulous fashion. He doesn't have anything personal against the victims. That's why he covers their faces with mud, to make them anonymous.
Why does he kill them if he doesn't have anything against them?
For him, they're more of an image, a symbol. That's probably why he gives them an origami figure and an orchid as gifts to apologize for what he's done to them.
Very interesting. And where does all that get us?
The best way of tracking a predator is to be familiar with his behavior.
That may be true in novels, but there's a child's life at stake here.
Continue, Jaden.
Then I studied the geographical distribution of the murders. Generally, a killer commits his first murder near to where he lives, so he has a safe place to flee to if any complications arise. The more confident he becomes, the further he roams from his base. By analyzing the locations where the victims disappeared, I was able to isolate a zone where the killer might live.
And what size is this, zone?
For the moment, about 10 square miles.
Oh, great. There must be 10,000 people live in that sort of area. You gonna question them one by one?
The more clues we get, the more we can reduce the zone. We can then cross-check it with our list of suspects and identify the killer. One detail attracted my attention. The interval between the time when a victim disappears and the time when the body is found ranges from 3 to 5 days. But the rainfall is always at 6 inches, give or take 10%.
What on earth does that mean?
All the victims were drowned in rainwater. The killer kills only in the fall when there is plenty of rain. It could be that he puts them in some sort of well or tank that is open to the skies and that fills up with rainwater. The more it rains, the less time the victim has to live.
So what's next?
There are 2 suspects whose psychological profile might fit and can be connected to the comfort zone. I'd like to question them.
God damn it. We're wasting our time with this bullshit. The killer's out there somewhere, and we gotta get off our asses and find him.
The killer is no ordinary murderer. He is intelligent, organized, and methodical. You won't find him by patrolling the streets.
Tell me, Agent Jaden, did you get your vast experience on the job, or did you just fucking read about it in some school book?
I came here to find a killer. And that is exactly what I'm gonna do. With or without your help.
Fucking asshole!
That's enough! You said it took 6 inches of rainfall before the victim died. How much time do we have left?
If the weather forecasts are right, less than 72 hours.
っていうかあれなんだ。毎回同じところで殺して、で運んでるのか遺体を。だからあれかトラックのタイヤ痕があったのか。それで運んでたのかな。でどこで殺してるかっていうんだよな。そこを当たってもいい気はするけどな。まあでも開けろ。デトロイト死刑だ。
Maybe we should have a little look inside anyway.
There's nobody home.
There is now.
I'm not sure that's entirely legal.
令状もなし
Call
に
the cops.
家に勝手に測っている。
Looks like Nathaniel Williams is a pretty religious guy.
He's a God-fearing idiot, waiting for the end of the world.
なんかこれあれっぽいじゃ
Questioned
ん。
him a few months back because he was causing a disturbance in the park. He was ranting and raving. He said he heard voices.
これあれじゃん。デ
Had
ト
this
ロイト
idea in
の
his sick little head that
あ
I
の
was
部屋っ
the
ぽいじゃん。
Antichrist. I'd come to Earth to persecute him. Real twisted.
デトロイトでもこんな感じの家出てきたよね。 薬がいくつか。ゴールしちゃった。なんか手がかり見つけないとあれか。これはなんかある。そういえば今日さ、辛いダブルチーズバーガーのやつ食べたんだけどさ、ハラペーニョがめっちゃうまかったわ。薬ばっかだな。ハラペーニョってうまいよな、あれ。すげえとこで寝泊まりしてんな。こうはならんやろ。壁の文字とか。なんで？
The walls are covered with writing.
ああ、聖書から
Quotations from the
の
Bible.
あれはつけらんないの？これはダメだな。あ、
Good timing, Nathaniel. Just the man we're looking for.
Angels and ministers of grace defend us.
I'm Agent Norman Jaden, FBI. I'd like to ask you a few questions.
この人が話を聞きたいって言ってたうちの一人かな。
Relax. Nobody's accusing you of anything. We just want to talk. Where do you work, Nathaniel? You have a job?
My sole occupation is praying to the all-merciful Lord for the salvation of humanity.
どうやって稼いでんだそれで。
I hold the crucifix.
まず外堀から埋めてこ
You
う。
afraid of something?
The hour is nigh, and the wrath of God shall strike men down. I'm preparing for the end of the world.
Nathaniel, do you remember where you were last Tuesday at 4:30 p.m.?
Here. I was here. I was praying all day.
Was there anybody with you?
No. No, I was alone.
まあ証
What about the
明でき
voices,
ないわな。
Nathaniel? Do you still hear the voices? We know who talks to you, don't we, Nathaniel? Or we both know who talks to you.
Don't speak that name.
What does he say to you, Nathaniel?
I can't talk about it. You mustn't talk about it.
He orders you to go and find new
Blake,
prey,
what are you
doesn't
doing?
he? He needs more and more.
No! You mustn't mention him. You'll bring him here.
He told you to go
That's
and
enough.
find that kid
Leave
in the park.
him alone.
The voices tormented you all night long. You wanted them to stop, didn't you, Nathaniel?
見えないんだけど。
I've got to do something.
That's enough.
So you obeyed them to make them
Curtis,
stop.
shit!
You took that
Are
boy
you
with
out
you
of
and
your
you drowned
mind?
him. Isn't that right?
No! Stop!
あ、やべ。
Stop! You killed them, didn't you, Nathaniel? Are you gonna confess, you bastard?
ひでえやり方だな。
You
ク
are
ソ。
the Antichrist.
Put down the gun,
I shall
Nathaniel.
dispatch you to your father in hell. He is the son of Satan. He was sent to earth to destroy
James.
us.
For Christ's sake, shoot!
心理作
You're
戦。
not gonna kill the Antichrist with a revolver, Nathaniel. He's much too powerful for that.
Antichrist, my ass! Get that gun out of my face!
Keep calm.
落ち着かせろ。
Everything is gonna be fine, Nathaniel.
Team, you shall regret confronting the emissary of the Lord.
やばい。
You
やばい。
shall
撃たないといけないか
know
も。
divine power.
Now gently put the gun down on the floor.
やばい。
Christ
く
all
そ。
powerful, defend us in our battle with the forces of evil. Protect us from the cunning and wiles of the demon. May
や
God
ばい。
Almighty manifest
死んじゃうかもこの人。
His empire, and may divine power cast Satan and all the other spirits that prowl the world in search of souls into the darkest depths of hell.
もう栄唱入っちゃってるこれ。
Enough, Nathaniel. Put the gun down immediately. Back away, slowly. Now drop the gun.
頼む
Drop
ぞ
it, Nathaniel.
頼むぞ頼むぞ、撃ちたくない俺お前を。あ、今度はそのデブに銃抜けろ。
Put your hands on your head.
デブじゃないけど、デブってほどデブじゃないけど。
Turn around.
おいお前何しようとして。
Motherfucker! In the name of the Lord, I exorcise thee, Satan.
え、今の E が撃つのか何なのか。
Okay, freak. The show's
ああ、
over.
なるほど。
You're under arrest.
抵抗したからあれか。撃つかどうかっていう選択肢だったのか。
Pretty damn cool under the circumstances. I would have just shot him.
A gun isn't the answer to every problem, Blake.
いやー、撃ちたくは
Maybe
ない。
not.
まあそういう下手れなところが俺あるからな。本当に下手れなところがあるからさ。別になんかあれなんだよな。そんな褒められるようなことでもないと思うんだよなこれ。もう下手れなだけなんだよな。あー、てかあれじゃん。おお、下に降水量が出てる。いや、お父さんのパートが気になるところではあるけど、私立探偵ですね。ここはなんだ？ん？ノックノックノック。ん？開いてる。入っていいの？Excuse me.
Mrs. Bowles. Anybody home?
もう行くしかないか。あら、これ何？
Oh, Jesus.
ほら。Wait a minute.
Hello, little cutie. Oh? You looking for your mama?
とりあえずおっさんいるからな。大丈夫やぞ。頼りないおっさんやけどな。コマンド入力がちょっと遅い頼りないおっさんやけど、それでもよければいるからな。あ、これ見ればいいのか。
Hang on, baby. First, I gotta find mama.
あ、あれか。
Come on, I have to search the house. Maybe it's not too late.
家中？
This letter. Holy fuck. I hope she hasn't.
ああ、なるほど。あれか、失踪してんじゃなくて自殺ってことか。
Mrs. Bowles? Mrs. Bowles, are you there?
ちょ。
Oh, shit.
リストカットかな。
Mrs. Bowles! Mrs. Bowles, can you hear me? Wake up!
ああ、まあ
Wake up!
それだったらワンチャン助かりそうな気がするけどな。結局あれでしょ、出血量が大丈夫かっていう話だから、できるだけ早めに 血してあげたいけどな。まあでも横だったら割と大丈夫だと思うけど
No,
な。
I don't want to go to the hospital. Please.
Okay. You got something around here I can dress this wound with?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, don't move. I'll be right back.
Be right back. ああもうまあでもこのなんともな。みんななんか抱えてるよな、このゲームの登場人物って。この私立探偵は私立探偵であれらしいし、絆創膏、
Need some bandages and disinfectant. Gotta be here somewhere.
その棚とかはおじさんね、たまにね、よくわかんない挙動するんだよね。大丈夫？なんか変なことしてない？大丈夫？おっさん許さないからね。よし、行こう。寝てる寝てる。もう、そうか。まあ。
Let's see. I need this, and this, and this.
とりあえず全部だね。とりあえず持てるやつ全部持った感じだね。はい。まあ多分大丈夫だと思うけどな。
I'm here for you, Susan. You'll be all right. I'll take care of you. Stay with me, Susan. Susan, do you hear me? Susan, stay with me. Can you hear me? Stay with me. Okay, come on.
Hmm? なんか俺やんないとダメ？ずっと押さえてるけど。話いいの？あ、改めてか。くるくる巻こうね。なんちゅう華奢な手してるの。もう細っ。は？ちょっと細くない？
There, I done what I can. That should stop the bleeding.
もう縦はダメよ。縦は横はま
How do you
あ
feel?
ワンチャン大丈夫だけど縦はダメよ。
My baby. My baby needs
分
me.
かった分かった分かった分かった分かった分かっ
Right.
た分かったから
You stay there.
ここまで連れてきてあげるからあれだったらね。ちょ休んでてあんた今立ち上がったら確実に立ちくらみする
You know
よ。
what to do? With a baby, I mean.
I'm a private eye. There's nothing I can't do.
Her name is Emily.
OK
Gotcha.
ガチャエミリーエミリーどうしたどうしたウイさんだよー。おー。ちょっと待ってね、エミリーね。おいさんのお手ってね、ちょっとなんとかするからね。哺乳瓶あんね。よいしょ。ミリー、おじさん来たよー。
Hi
おじさん
there,
来たよ。
Emily.
おー、元気ね。
What seems to be the problem, huh?
たゆんっつってこう。わ
Going by the smell, I got a pretty good idea.
あ。で、やってんね、エミリね。エミだそう。もうとりあえずこうなのね。 見たそう。出たの。ねえ。気持ち悪いね。ああ。
Okay. How do you do this again?
気持ち悪いね。赤ちゃんの便って特有の匂いがするよな。え、拭いてまず。え、拭かないの？
There you go.
え、
Fresh
拭かない
and
の？
baby. That should feel better.
お尻拭かないの？
Right, Emily?
鼻セレブで拭こうね。
Hey, what's the matter?
どうした？お腹すいた？多分さっきあそこに哺乳瓶あったからお腹すいた？ね。
I guess I better warm this thing up.
人肌まで冷ますんだよ。こんなのあるんだね。エミリー。エミリー。大丈夫？できたっぽいからね。これちょっと一回冷ますね。どう？人肌？おっさん？おっさんそれ大丈夫？勘。
Of course. Now I know why you're crying, my little peachy poo. Mother shall be to the rescue.
いい。首座ってんね。
Oh, Emily, are you hungry? Huh?
首がっつり座ってんね。
I'll just tilt this bottle a little bit so you don't choke.
大丈夫？そんながっつりいける？がっつりだね。ちょっと心なしか苦しそうにしてるけど、ぐいぐい飲ませるね。あー、ゲップしようか。首座ってんね。ゲップできるかな。うっ、
Oh, good job, Emily.
グッジ
You're
ョブだ
feeling
よ、そ
good
れは。
now, right?
首座ってんね。
I'm gonna rock you very gently so you can have a nice little snooze. Okay? All right.
こんな首座ってんのかな、私わかんないんだけど。あ、でもやっぱりゆっくりの動きが幾分かやりやすいわ、感動として。すっげえゆっくりだけど怖いから。これ一番慎重に飲んだ。雑じゃない？もう上半身もう完全にナスがままで倒してたじゃん。こっちは大丈夫？ああ、よかった。パンツ見えるからそれ。
Thanks for looking after my baby. I didn't want to leave her. I just couldn't cope anymore.
ご両親とかはいないの？
Just not having Jeremy around. He was such a good boy.
ああ、被害者
I
なん
don't
だ。
understand why anyone would want to hurt him.
Do you take care of this baby on your own? Doesn't Jeremy's father live with you
いや、そ
anymore?
れは聞かない方がいいんじゃない？
He disappeared.
そうなの。
After Jeremy.
あれじゃない？それ同じやつが来たんじゃない？
Maybe he couldn't take it.
同じようにロ
Ever
ッ
since I've had to look
カ
after Emily all on my own and
ーに来てたんだよ
do
き
it
っと。
anymore.
手紙が来たんだよ。
I understand.
で失敗したのかな。
Did your husband say anything before he disappeared? Did he leave a note or something?
実家とか帰れないのかね。
No. He left the house without a word and
本当にでも
there
も
was
う
just a cell phone.
休息が必要だよね。
Yeah, I found a cell phone in his dresser. I'm sure it wasn't his. I'd never seen it before.
ああ、はいはい
I
はい
tried
はい
on, but it didn't
やっぱ
work.
りあれか。
Do you still have it?
届いたやつと同
Yeah,
じやつか。
it's in a drawer in the living room.
リビングの引き出
You
し。
can have it if you'd like. I'm sure it's of more use to you than to me.
Do you have any family or anybody to help
そう
you?
そうそうそうそうそう。
Yeah. My mother.
ああ、あんまり仲良くないのかな。
I didn't
まあちょっ
want
と
to ask her
任せら
for
れるようなあれ
anything.
じゃ
We
ない
don't
んだ
really get along. But I guess I'm out of options.
まあ友達とか
Well,
さ
look after yourself. And Emily.
I will. I promise.
まあ抱え込まないでね、一人で本当に誰かを頼りな。まあすごい月並みなことしか言えないけどさ、まあ自分一人でどうこうできる問題じゃないから。それは別にあなたのせいじゃないし。寝てんね。寝てんね。引き出しどこかね。引き出しがどこかわかんないね。これか。あった。違う機種かな。違う機種だね。
Good luck, Emily. You take care of your mom.
Hmm. まあ私立探偵は私立探偵の切り口で事件の解決を目指してるわけだな、こうやって。